How long does it take to reset a Honeywell thermostat?
Hello, thermostat users. Today we are going to be talking about how you can reset your Honeywell thermostat. Whether you've been experiencing technical issues or simply want to restore your thermostat to its default settings, this guide will help you understand the process. Resetting a thermostat is generally quite quick and should take you less than 10 minutes.
Why reset your thermostat?
Resetting your Honeywell thermostat can be beneficial for a number of reasons. It can help clear any minor technical issues, help in setting up new schedules after a power outage, or simply allow you to start afresh if you've just moved into a new place. Importantly, resetting a thermostat doesn't usually require any specialist tools or skills and is something you can do on your own.
Steps to reset your thermostat.
The process to reset your Honeywell thermostat might slightly vary depending on the model, but here are the general steps. 1. Turn off the device. The first step is to switch off your thermostat. This can usually be done via a switch or button on the unit. 2. Find the reset button. Most Honeywell thermostats will have a reset button. You might need a paperclip or pin to access it if it's recessed. 3. Press the reset button. Hold down the reset button for about 5 seconds. You should see the screen of your thermostat go blank and then restart. 4. Confirm the reset. Once the thermostat restarts, it should be back to its factory settings. You may need to confirm this on the display screen.
Post-reset settings.
After resetting your thermostat, you'll want to set it up for your comfort again. This involves setting the date and time, adjusting the temperature preferences, and setting up any schedules if your thermostat has this feature. Make sure you have your user manual handy to guide you through this process. And there you have it. A quick, step-by-step guide on how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Remember, the exact steps might vary slightly based on your model, so always refer to your user manual if in doubt. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you can now confidently reset your thermostat whenever needed. Happy temperature adjusting!